Meaning of dictaphone.
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 Dictaphone. Dictaphone is a brand name of a type of voice recorder used for dictation and transcription purposes. The device was first patented by Thomas Edison in 1877, and the Dictaphone Corporation was formed in 1907 to commercialize the technology. The dictaphone became popular among professionals such as doctors, lawyers, and executives who needed to record and transcribe their thoughts quickly and accurately. The device replaced older methods of dictation, like shorthand and stenography, and helped revolutionize business communication. Today, the brand name Dictaphone is often used generically to refer to any type of dictation machine or software.